Hi, my name is Chris from AV Express. Today, we're going to show you how to install the AEON 50101 in-wall recessed TV mount. We appreciate you tuning into our how-to videos and our YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified of our monthly giveaways and new how-to videos. Also, if you like what we're going to show you today, we would appreciate your thumbs up and for you to share this video. The versatile in-wall recessed TV mount offers a long extension of 28 inches away from the wall. This allows a 55-inch TV to turn 90 degrees to the wall. This makes any location in your room an optimal viewing area so it can be viewed in another room. It comes with all the necessary hardware you'll need to mount it between two 16-inch on-center studs. Now the first step is going to be to determine your ideal location for installing the AEON in-wall TV mount. This will depend on a lot of factors, mostly how far you're going to be sitting away from your TV and the location of your studs. To determine your ideal viewing height, you're going to want to measure the distance from the ground to your eyes when seated where you'll be watching TV. Now measure that distance from the floor to the location where the mount will be installed and mark this on the wall. This will be in the vertical center of the backplate once it is installed on the wall. It will also be the center of your TV screen once it is installed on the AEON in-wall TV mount. It's also important to note your TV's VESA location. If it's squared on the back of the TV in the center of the TV, it will be centered when it's closed. If the VESA pattern is not squared or centered on the back of the TV because it is located on the bottom portion of the TV, you will need to account for this as the TV will not be centered when it is close to the wall. Next, using a stud finder, locate the two wood studs that will mount to the in-wall recessed box. Once you've found the inner edge of your studs, you'll want to mark them. That vertical line will be the side of the in-wall box once it's installed on the wall. This is where we will cut the hole for the in-wall portion of the mount. Note, if your studs are not in the ideal location, we do have other options available. Give us a call at 877-302-8397 and we would be glad to discuss your installation with you. It is also important to consider how you will route power to the recessed TV mount before installing. The in-wall box is a total of 4 electrical knockouts that will accommodate single-gang recessed outlets, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. These are easily removed and accommodate standard single-gang old work boxes that you can then install a recessed outlet in like this one. Since we've already marked the location where the in-wall box is going to be installed, you can use the box itself as a template and trace the outline of the box onto the drywall, or you can measure like we did here. Make sure to keep the box level during this process, as this is very important to making sure your TV appears level after the installation is completed. Once you've established your outline and where the box is going to be installed, the next step is to score those lines with a box cutter. You can then remove the drywall by hand, use a roto zip, or you can also use a jab saw. Now that we have the in-wall box in the wall, you can see we pulled the Romex through and we're going to attach our outlet that goes inside of the in-wall box. The next step is to fasten the tabs, which are M1 and M2 in the manual, onto the wood studs. And you'll want to pre-drill these with a 3/16 of an inch drill bit. Before installing each of the screws, it's important to make sure that the in-wall box is level, and also afterwards. The next step is to install the articulating arm assembly inside of the in-wall box. It's important to catch these hooks right here on the inside of the box so it matches up with the holes we've already pre-drilled. It's important to tighten each of the lag screws by hand as opposed to using a drill. Now that we've attached the articulating arm to the mount and tightened all of our lag screws into place, the next step is going to be to install the TV on the mount. Now usually for this step, if you have a larger TV, you're going to require 2 people for this. Now that we have the 2 top screws in place, and those you want to put on before you hang the TV on the mount, we're going to install the other 2 socket cap screws in place on the bottom of the mount. This will effectively secure the TV onto the mount. The next step is to check your TV's level. If your TV is not level for any reason, you have a post-installation leveling adjustment that can be utilized to make your TV look perfect. The slim profile of this TV mount will allow you to recess your TV to less than 1 inch from the wall. As you can see here, the profile sits almost right on top of the wall, just like that of a picture. With the 28-inch extension of this mount away from the wall, you can turn a 55-inch TV a full 90 degrees left or right, or an even bigger TV like this one here, almost 90 degrees to the wall. Now you can adjust the AEON 501010 liking. You can swivel your TV left or right, or recess it close to the wall. The choice is yours. As you can see, we've completed our installation of the AEON 50101 in-wall recessed TV mount. And as you can see, the result of this install allows our TV to sit almost completely flush with the wall. Of course, if you have any questions or require any support with your installation, feel free to reach out to one of our helpful techs toll-free at 877-302-8397, or send us an email, sales@av-express.com. Once again, we want to thank you for watching and thank you for shopping with AV Express.